Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna guide you about three major words, three confusing words. वो words जिसमें ज्यादातर students confuse होते हैं और उनको समझ नहीं आती कि किस तरह इसको properly use किया जाए. The first word is sometimes, the next word is sometime, and the next one is sometime, some space then time. Now sometimes with is, जिसके end में is आती है, that word shows the repetition of action, mean how an action is repeatedly taking place. For example, I sometimes go to school, I sometimes watch movies, I sometimes play cricket. So it shows the repetition, जिसको आप बार बार करते हैं वो actions show करते हैं और describe करते हैं. The second word is sometime without is. Sometime without is shows the future. For example, sometime I will visit you. Sometime I will talk to you. Sometime I will discuss my ideas with you. So ये सब future के लिए use होते हैं. The word sometime. There is a third word, sometime. Some then space then time. It means a period of time. जब आप किसी के साथ कुछ खास वक्त गुजारते हैं. For example, I spent some time with my teacher. I spent some time with my parents on weekend. I spent some time in the club all the time. I talk to my friend for some time on weekends. These are three words that we have. Many students are having confusion. I hope the confusion is clear. Thank you so much. Keep following me on my channels.